Welcome back guys to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to get voice chat on Roblox. Firstly, you need to verify your age. Go to the Roblox website and click on the settings gear in the top right corner. Choose settings and in the account info tab, click verify my age. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code that appears on the screen. This will take you to the Roblox age verification app. Open the app, then tap begin verifying. Select your country and type the documentation you'll provide, for example, driver's license or passport. Just follow the prompts to scan your ID front and back, then take a selfie for verification. Once verified, you should see a confirmation message. Now go back to the Roblox website and log in if you need to. Click on the settings gear again and select settings. Go to the privacy section, then find use the microphone to chat with voice, toggle and turn it on. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.